Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to spend gems in Kingshot. In Kingshot, gems are one of the most valuable resources, especially for beginners. They can be used for speeding up construction or training, buying hero shards, activating VIP levels, unlocking extra build queues, and participating in special events like the Hero Roulette. For beginners, the most effective use of gems is the Hero Roulette, found in the Hall of Governors or Hero events. By spinning the wheel with gems, you can collect powerful hero shards, helping you progress faster and defend your base more efficiently. It's best to save at least 15,000 gems and aim for milestone spins like 5, 15, or 35 for maximum value. Gems are also useful for activating VIP benefits, giving you faster building, extra trading slots, and daily rewards. Another worthwhile investment is the second construction queue, which allows multiple buildings to progress simultaneously. Avoid using gems to speed up normal buildings, troops, or to buy resources, as these are easy to farm. Focus your gems on hero roulette, VIP activation, and extra construction queues for optimal growth. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.